we're not. You're gonna put your legs in and you're gonna sit straight up and hold on to it.
You don't want to go fucking head over heels.
Well, that sounds much safer than what I thought.
Oh, God.
Well,
See, she was ready to do it the other way. Why start with this?
I'm gonna go find Again?
Yeah, see, now you're too far up. Oh, I see grass.
I don't think it's gonna work.
Keep going. Get to the path.
It's taking too much snow.
Yep,
Taking up
it's taking up the... Damn. Okay, sideways, go.
This is horrible. Look at it.
All right.
Can you turn me a little more before you start pushing me?
And... It sounds so awesome.
You dead? I'm out of breath.
No more rolling. Can you stand?
We need some chairs. So we need chairs.
I gotta do a disc run. Should I fucking hold this right here? See what happens.
Your camera.
I'm afraid to do it. I won't do it. I do it with my old camera, but not this one.
Take the camera with you.
Yeah, I do it with my old one.
Don't fall.
Can't control that.